Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a quick comparison between Remove.bg and Artbreeder. Remove.bg is a background removal tool focused on clean cutouts for photos, while Artbreeder is an AI art generator that lets users blend, evolve, and customize images. Remove.bg is practical and utility driven, whereas Artbreeder is creative and exploratory. Now let's look at the features. When it comes to primary function, Remove.bg is to remove backgrounds from photos, while Artbreeder is image generation and blending. When we look at the output type, Remove.bg gives you transparent cutout and custom backdrops, while Artbreeder gives you AI-created artworks, portraits, and landscapes. When it comes to ease of use, Remove.bg uses a one-click automatic removal, while Artbreeder has interactive sliders for traits like age, gender, and style. When we look at creative control, Remove.bg replaces backgrounds with solid colors or custom images, while Artbreeder mix, splice, and evolve images using genes. When we look at their community features, Remove.bg has utility tool but no social sharing, while Artbreeder has a vibrant community with contests and remix parties. When we look at their pricing model, Remove.bg has a free basic use plan and it also has a paid plan for HD or large batches, while Artbreeder has free tier with limits paid, also has paid credit bundles. Lastly, what are the best for? Remove.bg is best for e-commerce, professional headshots, and product listings, while Artbreeder is best for artists, hobbyists, game developers, and storytellers. So in summary, Remove.bg specializes in automatic background removal with high accuracy. It's useful for e-commerce product photos, car listing, and professional headshots. It offers an AI background generator to instantly create custom backdrops without prompts. It is focused on speed and utility rather than creativity. Artbreeder, on the other hand, Artbreeder is a collaborative AI art platform where users can create characters, artworks, and landscapes. Uses genetic sliders to adjust traits like age, gender, and style. It has a strong community aspect with remix parties and contests, and is ideal for creative exploration, character design, and inspiration. But here are the limitations and trade-offs. Remove.bg is limited to background editing, so it lacks creative art generation, and the paid plans are needed for HD or bulk processing. While Artbreeder has a free tier, but it has restrictions on uploads and downloads, and the outputs are more experimental and less suited for professional cutouts. So if you need clean professional cutouts for business or design, go with Remove.bg. If you want to experiment with AI art and collaborate creatively, Artbreeder is a better choice. Let us know in the comment section which you prefer.